In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Xbox 360 not displaying on TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over multiple methods if you are experiencing either of these issues, where your screen remains blank or black when you start your console after it's been plugged in, or the circle of light surrounding the console power button flashes red. Often, this means that the cable between the console and the TV or monitor is not connected correctly or the cable is faulty. Now, there might be other issues related to hardware. However, it's hard to tell unless you do a lot of troubleshooting. So let's start. For the first solution, restart your console. It might seem simple, but a simple restart can sometimes solve your problems. So to ensure a complete restart, hold down the console power button for 10 seconds to turn off the console. Once you see that all lights turn off and you held it there for 10 seconds or more, turn it back on and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to check is the cable. Like I mentioned, this is a big culprit in these sorts of situations. So, restart the console after each attempt. If you are trying to view in high definition, make sure that your cable supports HD because older cables might not. So make sure that the AV or HDMI cable is plugged firmly into the correct ports on the console and your TV or monitor. If there is a switch on the cable itself with markings such as TV or HDTV, make sure that you set it properly, depending on whether you want high definition or not. If you are using an HDMI cable, switch the port available on your TV or monitor if it has multiple HDMI cables because sometimes a specific port might be faulty. Now, besides switching the ports and switching the cable, there is not much else that you can do. You can try resetting your console display settings, but to do this, you will have to make sure that there is no disk in the disk tray, turn off the console, turn on the console, and as the console is starting, press and hold down the Y button while pulling the right trigger on the controller. This will reset the display settings and sometimes it can help. But if it still doesn't work, then the best course of action is to try a different TV altogether. Because you cannot access the settings inside of the console itself, it's going to be hard to determine where the problem lies. So I would recommend plugging it into a different TV or monitor just to be sure. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox 360 not displaying on TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.